Hi everyone, something new here. Today our learning goal is to learn how to calculate acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of speed, or how our velocity changes over time. This funny thing here, what on earth is that? Delta V, that's called delta. It's a Greek letter. It's just D, the fourth letter, V. That means change in velocity. I can write that another way. Well, I write it another way. It doesn't look quite so strange. That is velocity final. Can you see the V, the F? Is that clear? Minus velocity initial. My final speed, take my initial speed. Okay. So let's have a look here at our problem. So if we're looking for acceleration, if we're looking for this, we need to know our final speed, our initial speed, and the time. So let's have a look here. What is my acceleration? So I'm looking for the A. That's my question. Let's go for blue. What is my acceleration? This is what I want to find. If it takes me 10 seconds, so that's my time. That's T. So there, T is 10. If it takes, the time it takes me, if it takes me 10 seconds to get to 16 metres per second, 16 metres per second is 60 kilometres per hour. The time it takes me to get there from stopped. So getting to 16 metres per second, that's getting to that velocity, that speed. That is my VF. My final velocity is 16. And my initial velocity, I was stopped. So my initial velocity was 0. Because when I'm stopped, my velocity or my speed is 0. I'm not moving anywhere. Let's go over here and do the calculation. So A is V final, velocity final, minus velocity initial divided by time. That over that. A equals velocity final minus velocity initial divided by time. Velocity final, final velocity 16. Velocity initial 0. Time 10. 10 divided by 16 divided by 10, 1.6. Now the units for this are metres per second squared. Some people also write it as 1.6 metres second to the minus 2. That is the same as that. They are the same unit. It's just a different way of writing it. You know, if you remember your index laws, I can go through the index laws with you in another one, or you can just believe me. That and that are the same. Okay? We got this? Acceleration is just how speed changes over time. I'll do another one.